A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We learned about hydroxyl group and carboxylic group. Okay. So the next functional group we are going to discuss about is halofunctional group. We know about halogens, right? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So what will be halofunctional group? Fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo are the halofunctional group. The organic compounds having halofunctional groups are known as halocompounds. What is the name? Halocompounds. Now we are going to give IUPAC names to halocompounds. This is a halocompound. It's a chloro compound, right? So what is the compound? CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Here also the numbering of the carbon chain should be done in such a way that the carbon atom having the functional group should get the lowest number. So when we numbering from left to right, the carbon atom having the functional group get the number 3. When we numbering from right to left, the carbon atom get the number 1. Clear? Now we are going to give the IUPAC name. First, we have to mention the position of halo group. Here the position of halo group is 1. Then we have to put a hyphen. Then the name of halo group. Here the name of halo group is chloro. So 1 hyphen chloro. Then we have to write the name of alkane. Here the carbon chain contains 3 carbon atom. So the corresponding alkane is propane. Okay. So the name of this halo compound is 1-chloropropane. Clear? We have another compound here. What is the speciality? Yes. 2 functional group is attached to same carbon atom. CH3, CH2, C. In that carbon atom, 2 chloro group are present. Then CH3. When we numbering from left to right, the carbon atom having functional group get the number 3. When we numbering from right to left, the carbon atom having functional group get the number 2. So we get the number of carbon atom. What is the number of carbon atom? 4, right? The corresponding alkane is butane. Then what is the position of functional group? Here chloro group 2, right? So we know that if the functional group, we know that if more than one functional group is attached to a carbon atom, its position number should be repeated. Here the functional groups are attached to second carbon atom. So 2, 2. Then we have to put a hyphen. 2, 2 hyphen. Name of halo group. Here chloro group. So 2, 2 chloro. Then what is the alkane? Butane. So the name of this halo compound is 2, 2 dichlorobutane. Why dichloro? 2 chloro groups are present. So we use the prefix di. So the name is 2,2-dichlorobutane. Now we know how to give IUPAC names to halo compounds. If the name of a halo compound is given, we can draw the structure of that compound. What is the compound? 3,4-dichloroheptane. What is the word root of alkane? Hept. So we need a carbon chain having 7 carbon atoms. So here is the carbon chain. Then 2 chloro groups are present in third and fourth carbon atom. Next we have to draw that chloro group in third and fourth carbon atom. Then what is the last step? Yes, we have to fill the hydrogen atom to complete the valency of carbon atom. So we get the structure CH3, CH2, CHCl, CHCl, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this is 3,4-dichloroheptane. Clear? So we learnt about halo compounds. Next functional group is alkoxy group, OR group. R is any alkyl chain. The organic compounds having alkoxy functional groups are known as ethers. What is the name? Ethers. Clear? Then, in ethers, there are alkane chain in the two sides of oxygen group. So, next we are going to give IUPAC names to ethers. When we give IUPAC names to ethers, the longest alkyl chain should considered as alkane and the shortest chain is considered as alkoxy group. So here is an example. CH3, CH2, OCH3. CH3, CH2 is the longest alkyl chain. It is considered as alkane. So, ethane. Because that alkyl chain have 2 carbon atoms. Then other alkyl group is CH3, which is considered as alkoxy group. Here in CH3, 1 carbon atom. So, word root is meth and the alkoxy group is methoxy group. So, the name of this ether is methoxyethane. We have to give an alkoxy name first, then followed by name of alkane. So, methoxyethane. Then, what is the name of CH3 or CH3? The alkyl chain in the two sides of oxygen group is same, right? So, we get the name methoxymethane. Then, what is the name of CH3, CH2 or CH2, CH3? Yes, ethoxyethane. Clear? So, in this way, we can give IUPAC name to ethers. So, we learnt about functional group. That means the presence of certain groups imparts certain characteristic properties to organic compound. Hydroxyl group, carboxyl group, halo group and alkoxy group are some common functional groups. There are some another functional group and that you will study later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.